As we know, the CE Conformity for the Europe and the FCC Conformity for the US, also the ANSI test, especially for the log products. The higher resolution means a higher accuracy of recognition. Usually, the fingerprint resolution rate is higher than 500 dpi. The semiconductor is better on the recognition, especially for the children and adults. The fire resistance standard is very important, especially for the floors higher than 7 floors. Tenon has applied for fire resistance and smoke control tests for doors in accordance with international standards of BSEN 1634. This test is taken under the rated voltage and current. The international standard is applied for 100,000 to 150,000 cycles, but Tenon has applied for 200,000 cycles. After that, the mechanic and electronic part work normally, so it is much higher than the international standards.